Welcome to our seventh and final lesson of the YouTube mini-series. And today we will look at how to basically combine all the things we already created and how to create new and interesting compositions. So what we have here on the screen are all the elements and all the things we have created in previous lessons. We have here our vector leaf, we have here our pattern brush, sword, ribbon, muck, and vector skull. And I'll just be showing you how I think about combining them together. As you can see, I just started with the muck, I added ribbon, tried to play a bit with the pattern brush. And really from now on, it's up to you how you use those elements creatively to create new and interesting compositions. Of course, for me this would be a bit difficult because I was creating one element specifically for each lesson, and the illustrations do not go necessarily 100% perfectly together. But you will see that just with this limited library of elements, we are actually able to create some interesting stuff already. And if you would be just from the start creating like a library of assets with the goal in mind, they should really work like perfectly together, you'll probably get even more options. So I'm just playing with the muck, adding some leaves, and creating new and interesting compositions. This is like, to be honest, this for me was probably the best and most interesting part of the mini-series, because I was just able to go back and take all those things and combine them in different ways, and it's really fun to do. So if you like creating on, I don't know, like daily, weekly basis, some small illustrations, small elements, it might be a good idea time to time to go back and try to find new funny ways how to put them together. I don't think that here in the final lesson we actually need to spend a lot of time on the stuff I was creating, but I have kind of pre-created already a small library of things that I will show you. I'll actually fast forward, and these are some of the things. Some of them we created previously in the lessons, some of them I created later. You can see that I actually still have transform effect applied on some of them. So for me, it would be really easy now just to copy paste them, try different configuration, rewrite the text, multiply the illustration, or just change the angle, and transform effect tool to get new variations like really fast. You know, we had just like some things. I basically here I used mostly just the muck and the skull, and I was able to already create a couple of things I would be really happy about. So this was the point of the entire mini-series, to show you how you can add complexity to your work, like really quickly just using a couple of simple tools. So I really hope you had fun and you learned something new, ideally both. And even if this is the end of the series, I will be creating new videos as well. I don't know how often, but as soon as I have something interesting, I'll be definitely adding more videos to the channel. Not all of them will be about illustration. I am working as a freelance designer, so some of them might be just about freelancing, which because it's 2020 gets pretty tough, and I think the tougher times are ahead, but we'll see. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this interesting, just give me if you find this interesting, just give me subscribe. Thank you. And I hope to